Hello viewers, this video is about how to adjust space between numbering and text in MS Word. So let's go to the tutorial. I have created a Word document and I create a list or numbering 1 to 11, and I write some word after one by one, which is number 1 is how, number 2 is 10, number 3 is adjust, and at last number 11 is word. And here you are clearly seeing that one dot one dot after a large space before how, and I want to adjust this space or decrease or reduce the space. So I will just click on the top list, click on the first list, which is how. That means the number is 1, and now I will just right click on it and click on the adjust list indents, and here follow number with is automatically selected tab character. Now I will just change it to space and click on the OK button, and let's see the magic. Extra space has been removed by applying this option. It is very easy, and I hope this tutorial is really helpful. Thanks for watching.